Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to increase with Tunisian crochet. I'm going to show you two different increases, and they are ones that I use all the time in my Tunisian crochet patterns. If you would like to check my patterns out, I will put the link in the description below. The first increase I'm going to show you is the yarn over increase. I'm actually going to work a Tunisian simple stitch first. So to do the yarn over increase, you obviously just yarn over and then continue working the rest of your row. So I just increased the stitch count of this row by 1. Right, I'll work the return pass and I'll show you that one more time. I'll work a Tunisian simple stitch first, and to do a yarn over increase, you yarn over, and you got to make sure to pick up the yarn over wrap from the previous row. Don't miss that, or you won't be increasing your stitch count. All right, I will work the rest of this row and the return pass, and then show you a second way you can increase with Tunisian crochet. All right, the next way you can increase is a make one stitch. I'm gonna work 3 Tunisian simple stitches and then show you how to do the make one stitch. So to make one, you're gonna insert your hook between 2 stitches through the back of the work, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And that is how you do a make one increase. I'll show you that one more time here. To insert your hook through 2 stitches to the back of your work, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So since I just did that twice, I just increased the stitch count of this row by 2. Now I'll show you a close-up of both of those increases so you can see what sort of effect you get from those. Right here, where we have 2 tiny little holes, is where we did the yarn over increase. So sometimes you will get a hole from that increase. And right here is where I did that first make one increase, and there's the second. And you kind of get a hole from that too, but not too bad. So depending on your preference, use whatever increase you like, and you can use these increases to create fun shapes with your project too, because as you can see, by increasing, I'm getting a right, diagonal to my project. And if you watched my Tunisian crochet decreases video, then you probably already know I use increases and decreases all the time in my patterns to create fun shapes, like this pattern, my garden trellis shawl pattern. I used increases and decreases to create this zigzag effect for the edging of this shawl. So I decreased and increased, decreased and increased. Another pattern I used increases and decreases a lot is this one. This is my seashore shawl pattern, and I used that to create this wavy design. So I increased and then decreased, and then increased and decreased, and I did that in different little sections all throughout this design to get a bunch of wavy looking shapes. So you can use increases and decreases to create fun shapes with your projects, And I hope you have fun experimenting with that. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.